Naruto is a Japanese manga series written and illustrated by Masashi Kishimoto. It tells the story of Naruto Uzumaki, a young ninja who seeks recognition from Ashi's peers and dreams of becoming the Hokage, the leader of Ashi's village. The story is told in two parts. The first is set in Naruto's preteen year, volume 27, and the second in Ashi's teens, volume 28-72. The series is based on two one-shot manga by Kishimoto, Karakuri, 1995, which earned Kishimoto an honorable mention in Shueisha's monthly Hop Step Award the following year, and Naruto, 1997. Naruto was serialized in Shueisha's Shonen Manga Magazine Weekly Shonen Jump from September 1999 to November 2014, with its chapters collected in 72 tankobon volumes. Viz Media licensed the manga for North American production and serialized Naruto in their digital weekly Shonen Jump magazine. Part of the manga was adapted into an anime television series by Pierrot and Aniplex, which ran for 220 episodes from October 2002 to February 2007 on TV Tokyo. A second series, which adapts material from part 2 of the manga, is titled Naruto Shippuden and ran on TV Tokyo for 500 episodes from February 2007 to March 2017. Pierrot also developed on the animated films and does original video animation, OVA. The franchise includes light novel, video game, and trading cards developed by several companies. The story of Naruto continues in Boruto, where Naruto as son Boruto Uzumaki creates Ashi's own ninja way instead of following Ashi's father's. Naruto is one of the best-selling manga series of all time, having 250 million copies in circulation worldwide in 47 countries and regions, with 153 million copies in Japan alone and remaining 97 million copies elsewhere. It has become one of Viz Media's best-selling manga series. Their English translation of the volume have appeared on USA Today and the New York Times bestseller list several times, and the seventh volume won a Quill Award in 2006. Reviewers praised the manga's character development, storylines, and action sequences, though some felt the latter slowed the story down. Critics noted that the manga, which has a coming-of-age theme, makes use of cultural references from Japanese mythology and Confucianism. Pro. Paris. See also, List of Naruto chapters, Paris. A powerful fox known as the Nintelotex Konoha, the hidden leaf village in the Land of Fire, one of the 5 great shinobi countries in the ninja world. In response, the leader of Konoha and the fourth Hokage, Minato Namikaze, at the cost of Ashi's life, seals the fox inside the body of Ashi's newborn son, Naruto Uzumaki, making him a host of the beast. The third Hokage returns from retirement to become the leader of Konoha again. Naruto is often scorned by Konoha's villagers for being the host of the Nintel. Due to a decree by the third Hokage forbidding any mention of these events, Naruto learns nothing about the Nintel until 2 years later, when Mizuki, a renegade ninja, reveals the truth to him. Naruto defeats Mizuki in combat, earning the respect of Ashi's teacher, Iroha Umino. 2. Shortly afterward, Naruto becomes a ninja and joins with Sasuke Uchiha, against whom he often competes, and Sakura Haruno, on whom he has a crush, to form Team Set, under an experienced sensei, the elite ninja Kakashi attack. Like all the ninja team from every village, Team Set completes mission requested by the villagers, ranging from doing chores and being bodyguards to performing assassinations. After several missions, including a major one in the Land of Waves, Kakashi allows Team Set to take a ninja exam, enabling them to advance to a higher rank and take on more difficult missions, known as Chunin exam. During the exam, Orochimaru, a wanted criminal, invades Konoha and kills the third Hokage for revenge. Jiraiya, one of the three legendary ninja, declines the title of fifth Hokage and searches with Naruto for Tsunade room and chooses to become fifth Hokage instead. During the search, it is revealed that Orochimaru wishes to train Sasuke because of Hashi's powerful genetic heritage, the Sharingan. 3. After Sasuke attempts and fails to kill Hashi's older brother Itachi, 4. Wyatt showed up in Konoha to kidnap Naruto, et joint Orochimaru, hoping to gain from him the strength needed to kill Itachi. The story takes a turn when Sasuke leaves the village. Tsunade sends a group of ninja, including Naruto, to retrieve Sasuke, but Naruto is unable to persuade or force him to come back. Naruto and Sakura do not give up on Sasuke. Naruto leaves Konoha to receive training from Jiraiya to prepare himself for the next time he encounters Sasuke, while Sakura becomes Tsunade's apprentice. Part 2. See also, List of Naruto chapters, Part 2, Volume 28-48, and List of Naruto chapters, Part 2, Volume 49-72. 2.5 years later, Naruto returns from Hashi's training with Jiraiya. The Akatsuki starts kidnapping the rest of the powerful tailed beasts. Team Set and other Leaf Ninja fight against them and search for their teammate Sasuke. The Akatsuki succeeds in capturing and extracting 7 of the tailed beasts, killing all the rest except Gaara, who is now the Kazekage. Meanwhile, Sasuke betrays Orochimaru and faces Itachi to take revenge. After Itachi dies in battle, Sasuke learns from the Akatsuki founder Tobi that Itachi had been ordered by Konoha's superiors to destroy Hashi's clan to prevent a coup, et accepted, on the condition that Sasuke would be spared. Devastated by this revelation, Sasuke joins the Akatsuki to destroy Konoha in revenge. A Konoha Ninja defeats several Akatsuki members. The Akatsuki figured leader, Nagato, kills Jiraiya and devastates Konoha, but Naruto defeats and redeems him, earning the village's respect and admiration. With Nagato as death, Tobi, disguised as Madara Uchiha, one of Konoha's founding fathers, announces that he wants to capture all nine-tailed beasts to cast an illusion powerful enough to control all humanity and achieve world peace. The leader of the 5 ninja village refuses to help him and instead joins force to confront Hashi's faction and ally. That decision results in a forced shinobi world war between the combined armies of the 5 great countries, known as the Allied Shinobi Force, and Akatsuki's force of zombie-like ninja. The 5 Kage try to keep Naruto, unaware of the war, in a secret island turtle near Kumogakure, hidden Cloud Village, but Naruto finds out and escapes from the island with Killer Bee, the host of the 8 Tail. At that time, Naruto along with the help of Killer Bee gain control of Hashi's tailed beast and the two of them head for the battlefield. During the conflict, it is revealed that Tobi is Obito Uchiha, a former teammate of Kakashi's who was thought to be dead. The real Madara saved Obito's life, and they have since collaborated. As Sasuke learns the history of Konoha, including the circumstances that led to Hashi's clan's downfall, he decides to protect the village and rejoin Naruto and Sakura to thwart Madara and Obito's plan. However, Madara's body ends up possessed by Kaguya Otsutsuki, an ancient princess who intends to subdue all humanity. A reformed Obito sacrifices himself to help Team Set stop her. Once Kaguya is sealed, Madara dies as well. Sasuke takes advantage of the situation and takes control of all the tailed beasts, as he reveals Hashi's goal of ending the current village system. Naruto confronts Sasuke to dissuade him from Hashi's plan, and after they almost kill each other in a final battle, Sasuke admits defeat and reforms. After the war, Kakashi becomes the 6th Hokage and pardons Sasuke for Hashi's crime. Year later, Kakashi steps down while Naruto marries Hinata Hyuga and becomes the seventh Hokage, raising the next generation. Production. Développement. In 1995, Shueisha released Karakuri, a one-shot manga by Masashi Kishimoto that earned an honorable mention in the Hop Step Award in 1996. Kishimoto was unsatisfied with Ashi's subsequent drafts for a follow-up, and decided to work on another project. The new project was originally going to feature Naruto as a chef, but this version never made it to print. Kishimoto originally wanted to make Naruto a child who could transform into a fox, so he created a one-shot of Naruto for the summer 1997 issue of Akamaru Jump based on the ID. 3-4 Despite the positive feedback it received in a reader's poll, Kishimoto was unhappy with the art and the story, so he rewrote it as a story Abu Ninja. 5. The first 8 chapters of Naruto were planned before it appeared in Weekly Shonen Jump, and these chapters originally devoted many panels of intricate art to illustrating the Konoha village. By the time Naruto debuted, the background art was sparse, instead emphasizing the characters. 5. Though Kishimoto had concerns that chakra, the energy source used by the ninja in Naruto, made the series too Japanese, he still believed it is an enjoyable read. 6. Kishimoto is a fan of Godzilla, and the Tailed Beasts mythology was introduced because Kishimoto wanted an excuse to draw monsters. 7. Has said that the central theme in Paris of Naruto is how people accept each other, citing Naruto's development across the series as an example. 8. For part 2 of the manga, Kishimoto tried to keep the panel layouts and the plot easy for the reader to follow, and avoid overdoing the typical manga style. 9. He considers that Ashi's drawing style has changed from the classic manga look to something a bit more realistic. 9. Because of wishing to end the arc involving Sasuke Uchih's search for Ashi's brother, Itachi, in a single volume, Kishimoto decided that volume 43 should include more chapters than regular volume. As a result, Kishimoto apologized to readers for this since volume 43 was more expensive than regular volume. 10. Characters. Main article, List of Naruto characters. When he created Naruto, Kishimoto looked to other shonen manga as influence for Ashi's work and tried to make Ashi's characters unique, while basing the story on Japanese culture. 11. The separation of the characters into different teams was intended to give each group a particular flavor. Kishimoto wanted each member to have a high level of aptitude in one skill and be talentless in another. 12. They found it difficult to write a romance, but emphasized it more in part 2 of the manga, beginning with volume 28. 8. They introduced villains into the story to have them act as a counterpoint to Ashi's characters' moral value and clearly illustrate their differences. 13. As a result of how the younger characters were significantly weaker than the villains, Kishimoto made the ellipsis in order to have them age and become stronger during this time. 14. Setting. Kishimoto made use of the Chinese zodiac tradition, which had a long-standing presence in Japan. The zodiac and signs originate from this. 6. When Kishimoto was creating the primary setting of the Naruto manga, he concentrated initially on the design for the village of Konoha. The idea of the setting came to him pretty spontaneously without much thought, but admits that the scenery became based on Ashi's home in the Japanese prefecture of Okayama. Since the storyline does not specify when it is set, he was able to include modern elements in the series such as a convenience store. 15. He considered including automobile, plane and simple computer, but excluded projectile weapons and vehicles from the plot. 15-16. Conclusion. Musashi Kishimoto is home was close to Hiroshima where his grandfather lived. He would often tell his grandson story of war and how it was related to grudges. In retrospect, Kishimoto commented he could not criticize anyone as a result of the war based on it was built. Clarification needed upon further researching, Kishimoto decided to create World War story arc for the manga as final. However, unlike the story he heard from his grandfather, Kishimoto wanted to give the war covered in Naruto a more hopeful feeling. 17 Nagato's arc paved the way for the ending of Naruto to occur. Nagato stood out as a villain due to suffering war and killing Naruto's mentor Jiraiya. Understanding the fears of war, Naruto's characterization was made more complex for him to experience the Fourth Great Shinobi War. These events end with Naruto forgiving Sasuke as he had forgiven Nagato in the final battle. 14. Due to unknown issue, the series final was delayed. 11 volume 66 was released. Kishimoto commented he reached a moment from the narrative involving something he always wanted to draw. 18 When serialization began, Kishimoto decided the ending would feature a fight between two characters, Naruto and Sasuke. However, the writer felt the two were not equals as the former was not a victim of war like the latter whose family was killed to stop a possible civil war. 19. Kishimoto chose Hinata Hyuga a Naruto's romantic partner from the early stage of the manga, since Hinata had always respected and admired Naruto even before the series beginning, and Kishimoto felt this meant the two of them could build a relationship. 20 When Hinata first appeared, Kishimoto thought of expanding romantic plotline. 21-22 Bu decided to leave Naruto's maturation through romance as an idea for the film 2014 The Last, Naruto the movie where he worked alongside screenwriter Maruo Kyosuka, a writer more skilled at the theme of romance. 23 Similarly, the title character's relationship with Hashie's first son, Boruto, was explored furthermore in the 2015 film Boruto, Naruto the movie 2 and Naruto's growth as a character had become an adult, but it was briefly shown in the manga as final. 24. Media. Further information, list of Naruto media. Manga. Main article, list of Naruto volume. Written and illustrated by Musashi Kishimoto, Naruto was serialized for a 15-year run in Shueisha's magazine, Weekly Shonen Jump from September 21, 1999 25-26 to November 10, 2014. 27-28 Shueisha collected its chapters in 72 tankobon volume 27 for Paris, and the rest for Part 2. They were released between March 3, 2029 and February 4, 2015. 30 The first 238 chapters are Paris and constitute the first section of the Naruto storyline. Chapters 239 to 244 include a Gedan side story, focusing on Kakashi Ateke's background. The remaining chapters, 245 to 700, belong to Part 2, which continues the story after a 2-year gap in the internal timeline. Shueisha have also released several anime-manga tankobon, each based on one of the Naruto movies 31 and has released the series in Japanese for cell phone download on their website Shueisha Manga Capsule. 32 A mini-series titled Naruto, The Seventh Hokage and the Scarlet Spring Bay centered on the main character's children, began serialization in the Japanese and English editions of Weekly Shonen Jump on April 27, 2015, and ended after 10 chapters on July 6 of the same year. 33-34 Naruto was scanlated, translated by fan, and available online before a licensed version was released in North America. 35 The rights were acquired by Viz Media, who began serializing Naruto in their anthology comics magazine Shonen Jump, starting with the January 2003 issue. 36 The schedule was accelerated at the end of 2007 to catch up with the Japanese version 37 and again in early 2009, with 11 volumes, from 34 to 44, appearing in 3 months, after which it returned to a quarterly schedule. 38 All 27 volumes of Paris were released in a boxed set on November 13, 2007. 39 On mai 3, 2011, Viz started selling the manga in an omnibus format with each book containing 3 volumes. 40. The franchise has been licensed in 90 countries, and the manga serialized in 35 countries. 41-42 Mad Men Entertainment began publishing Naruto volumes in Australia and New Zealand in March 2008 after reaching a distribution deal with Viz Media. 43 Carlsen Comics has licensed the series through its regional division, and released the series in German and Danish. 44 The series is also licensed for regional language release in French and Dutch by Kana. 45 In Polish by Japonica Polonica Fantastica. 46 In Russian by Comics R. 47 In Finnish by Sangatsu Manga. 48 In Swedish by Bonnier Carlsen. 49 And Italian by Panini Comics. 50 Spin-off. A spin-off comedy manga by Kenji Tr, titled Naruto SD, Rock Lee no Seishin Full Power Nindense focuses on the character Rock Lee, a character who aspires to be strong as a ninja but has no magical jutsu abilities. It ran in Shueisha Seiki Jump Magazine from December 3, 2010, to July 4, 2014 51-52 and was made into an anime series, produced by Studio Pierrot, and premiering on TV Tokyo on April 3, 2012. 53 Crunchyroll simulcasted the series premiere on their website and streamed the following episode. 54 TRE also wrote Uchiha Sasuke no Sharingan Dende which released on October 3, 2014, which runs in the same magazine and features Sasuke. 55 A monthly sequel series titled Boruto, Naruto Next Generations began in the Japanese and English editions of Weekly Shonen Jump in early 2016, illustrated by Mikio Ikemoto and written by Yuki Kodashi, with supervision by Kishimoto. Ikemoto was Kishimoto's chief assistant during the run of the original Naruto series, and Kodashi was Ashi's writing partner for the Boruto, Naruto the movie film screenplay. The monthly series was preceded by a one-shot, titled Naruto, The Pathly by the Full Moon, Naruto, Naruto Gedan Mishitatsuki Jie Terazumi Ichi, written and illustrated by Kishimoto, and published on April 25 of that same year. 56, 57, 58 The staff from Shueisha asked Kishimoto if he would write a sequel to Naruto. However, Kishimoto refused the offer and offered Ashi's former assistant Mikio Ikemoto and writer Yuki Kodashi to write Boruto, Naruto Next Generations as a sequel to Naruto. 59. Another one-shot chapter by Kishimoto, titled Naruto, The Wall Within the Spiral, Naruto, Naruto Gedan Usu no no Tsumujikaz, centered on Naruto's father, Minato Namikaze, was published in Weekly Shonen Jump on Juillet 18, 2023. 60-61. Anime. Main article, Naruto, TV série. The first Naruto anime television series, directed by Ayato Date and produced by Pierrot and Aniplex, premiered on TV Tokyo in Japan on October 3, 2002, and concluded on February 8, 2007, after 220 episodes. 62-63 The first 135 episodes were adapted from Paris of the manga, the remaining 85 episodes are original and use plot elements that are not in the manga. 64 Tetsuya Nishio was the character designer for Naruto when the manga was adapted into an anime. Kishimoto had requested that Nishio be given this role. 65-66 The second anime television series, titled Naruto, Shippuden was also produced by Pierrot and directed by Hayato Date, and serve as a direct sequel to the first Naruto anime series. It corresponds to part 2 of the manga. 67 It debuted on Japanese TV on February 15, 2007, on TV Tokyo, and concluded on March 23, 2017. 68-69. A series of 4 brand new episodes, to commemorate the original anime's 20th anniversary, were originally scheduled to premiere on September 3, 2023. 70 However, in August of that same year, it was announced that the episode would be postponed to a later date. 71. Film. Main article, list of Naruto film. The series was adapted into 11 theatrical films and 12 original video animation, OVA. The first 3 films correspond to the first series, and the remaining 8 correspond to the second. In July 2015, Lionsgate announced the development of a live-action film with AVI Arad through HIS production company Arad Production. 72 The film will be directed by Michael Gracie. On December 17, 2016, Kishimoto announced that he has been asked to co-develop. 73 On November 27, 2023, it was announced that Takeru will work on the script for the film. 74. On February 23, 2024, Gracie had exited the project, and Destin Daniel Cretton had been hired to direct and co-write the film. Cretton received HIS blessings from Kishimoto, after a visit in Tokyo, with Kishimoto stating that when he heard that Cretton would be directing, he thought that he was the perfect choice. 75. Novel. 26 Naruto Light Novel, the first 9 written by Masatoshi Kusakabe, have been published in Japan. 76 of these, the first 2 have been released in English in North America. The first adapted novel, Naruto, Innocent at Demonic Blood, 2002, retells a team set mission in which they encounter the assassins Abusa and Raku. 77-78 The second, Naruto, Mission, Protect the Waterfall Village. 2003, was based on the second OVA of the anime. 79-80 Viz HAS also published 16 chapter book written by Tracy West with illustration from the manga. Unlike the series, these books were aimed at children age 7 to 10. 81 13 original novels have appeared in Japan. 76 11 of these are part of a series, and the other 2 are independent novels unconnected to the series. The first independent novel, titled Naruto, Tales of a Gatsi Ninja, 2009, is presented as an in-universe novel written by Naruto ES Master Jiraiya. It follows the adventures of a fictional shinobi named Naruto Musasabi, who served a Naruto ES Namezak. 82 The other independent novel, Naruto Jinredan, The Day the Wolf Howled, 2012, is set shortly after Sasuke's fight with Itachi. 83. Itachi Shinden, which consists of 2 novels, and Sasuke Shinden, a single novel, both appeared in 2015, and both were adapted into anime arcs in Naruto Shippuden in 2016, titled Naruto Shippuden, Itachi Shinden and Ikari to Yami and Book of Sunrise respectively. 84-85 Raiden is a series of 6 light novels published in 2015 that explore the story of various characters after the ending of the manga. 86. Merchandise. Video game. Main article, list of Naruto video game. Naruto video game have been released on various consoles by Nintendo, Sony, and Microsoft. The majority of them are fighting games in which the player directly controls one of the characters from Naruto. The player pits their character against another character controlled by the game or by another player. The objective is to reduce the opponent's health to zero using basic attacks as well as special technique unique to each character derived from technique they use in the Naruto anime or manga. 87 The first Naruto video game was Naruto, Konohani in Peach, which was released in Japan on March 27, 2003, for the WonderSwan color. 88 Most Naruto video game have been released only in Japan. The first game released outside of Japan were the Naruto, Gekitu Ninja Taisen series and the Naruto, Seikyu Ninja Daikezu series, released in North America under the titles of Naruto, Clash of Ninja and Naruto, Ninja Council. 89-90 In 2023, Namco Bandai announced that the Naruto video game had sold 32,52 millions units worldwide. 91 R&D Guidebooks. Main article, List of Naruto supplemental material. 3 official art book based on the Naruto series have been released. The first two, titled Art Collection, Uzumaki, and Illustration Collection, Naruto, were released in Japan in 2004 and 2009, with North American editions following in 2007 and 2010 respectively. 92, 93, 94, 95 The third art book Illustration Collection, Naruto Uzumaki, was published in 2015 in Japan and later the same year in North America. 96-97 It contains artwork originally on Shonen Jump comics covers. It has no text except a brief commentary by Kishimoto about his favorite artworks. 98 An interactive coloring book called Paint Jump, Art of Naruto was released in 2008. 99 An unreleased art book titled Naruto Exhibition official guest book by Masashi Kishimoto was given to those who attended the Naruto Art Exhibition at the Mori Art Museum on April 25, 2015. 100 4 guidebooks titled First Official Data Books through Fourth Official Data Book have been released, the first two cover pari of the manga, and were released in 2002 and 2005, the third and fourth volume appeared in 2008 and 2014. 101 203 This book contain character profile, jutsu guide, and drafts by Kishimoto. 104 For the Anime, a series of guidebooks called Naruto Anime Profile was released. This book contains information about the production of the anime episodes and explanations of the characters' design. 105 A manga fan book titled Secret, Writings from the Warriors official fan book appeared in 2206 and another fan book was released to commemorate the series' 10th anniversary, including illustration of Naruto Uzumaki by other manga artists, a novel, Kishimoto's one-shot titled Karakuri, and an interview between Kishimoto and Yoshihiro Togashi. 107 Collectible Card Game. Produced by Bandai, the Naruto collectible card game was released in Japan in 2003 and in North America in 2006. 109 The game is played between two players using a customized deck of 50 cards from the set, and a game mat. To win, a player must either earn 10 battle rewards through their actions in the game or cause the other player to exhaust their deck. 110 The cards were released in named set called Series, in the form of 450 card pre-constructed box set. 108-109 Each set includes a starter deck, the game mat, a turn counter, and one stainless steel ninja blade coin. Extra cards are available in this card booster pack, and deck set. 4 box sets sold in retailers are available for each series. Cards for each set are available in collectible tin, containing several booster packs and exclusive promotional cards in a metal box. 111 By October 2006, 17 series had been released in Japan with 417 unique cards. 108 As of August 2008, 10 of this series had been released in North America. 112 Reception. Sal. The manga HAS 250 million copies in circulation worldwide, making it one of the best-selling manga series in history. More than half of the total circulation were in Japan, with the remaining circulation from 46 countries and regions. 113-42 It HAS became one of North American publisher Viz Media as best-selling manga series. 114 Their translation of the series appeared on USA Today and the New York Times bestseller lists several times. It was included in the fiction section of Teacher Librarian as recommended list for 2008. 115 and School Library Journal described it as an essential manga for school libraries. 116 Volume 28 of the manga reached 17th place in the USA Today booklist in its first week of release in March 2008, only 2 places short of the record for a manga, held by Fruit Basket. 117 The volume had one of the biggest debut weeks of any manga in year, becoming the top-selling manga volume of 2008 and the second best-selling book in North America. 118-119 In 2010, Viz, the publisher, commented on the loyalty of readers, who reliably continued to buy the manga as the volume count went over 40. 120. Critical response. Several reviewers commented on the balance between fight scenes and plot development. A Sparrow of IGN and Casey Brins of Anime News Network felt that the result was a strong storyline. 121-122 Bu Carl Killinger, also writing for the same website, suggested that there were too many fights, which slowed down the plot. 123 Killinger liked the character design, and approved of the fight scenes themselves. 123 which also drew positive comments from Rick Spaniers, who felt that the excitement of the scenes depends on Kishimoto's skill in depicting action. 123 Javier Lugo, writing for Manga Life, agreed, describing the artwork as dramatic, exciting, and just right for the story is telling. 124 Brian Lawrence from Mania Entertainment describes the growth of the characters gave par 2 an adult feel. 125 Writing for IGN, Ramsey Isley called Jutsu one of the most entertaining concepts in Naruto, stating as well that there were 30 complex signs required for technique, the unique physical features, and the sheer destructive power of ninjutsu are the elements that have made the series widely popular. 126. In a review of Volume 28 Brins also praised par the storyline and characterization, though she commented that not every volume reached a high level of quality. 121 The fights across the part 2 received praise, most notably Naruto's and Sasuke's, resulting in major change into their character arc. 127, 128, 129 Meanwhile, the final battle between the two characters in the final earned major praise for the choreography and are provided as well as how in-depth the two personalities were shown in the aftermath. Some writers criticized Kaguya being the least entertaining villain, making the showdown between Naruto and Sasuke more appealing as a result. The final earned nearly perfect score from both Anime News Network and Comics Book Bean, with the latter acclaiming the popularity of the title character. 130, 131, 132. Responding to Naruto's success, Kishimoto said in Naruto Collector Winter 2007/2008 that he was very glad that the American audience has accepted and understood Ninja. It showed that the American audience has good taste, because it means they can accept something previously unfamiliar to them. 133. G. Ito, a professor in the manga department of Tokyo Polytechnic University, compared the series development to the manga of Dragon Ball, saying that both manga present good illustration of three-dimensional body movements that capture the characters' martial art very well. J'ai felt readers could emphasize with the characters in Naruto via their inner monologue during battles. 134 The series also influenced the movie Scott Pilgrim vs. The World with director Edgar Wright saying he was inspired by how whenever there is a killer move in the manga, there is an impact in the background following any technique as usage. 135. When the manga ended, multiple authors from the magazine expressed congratulations to Kishimoto's work. 136 The fight scenes in general earned acclaim for how well written they are, something game developer CyberConnect took into account when developing the Naruto game. 137 138 139 140 Christelle Holland, managing director of Kana and Le Lombard, called Naruto the first long-running series after Dragon Ball to become a classic in France. 141. Awards and accolades. Naruto won the Quill Award for Graphic Novel in 2006. 142-143 In April 2007, Volume 14 earned with the Manga Trade Paperback of the Year Gem Award from Diamond Comics Distributors. 144 The manga was nominated for Favorite Manga Series in Nickelodeon Magazine's 2009 Comics Award. 145 It won the 16th Spanish Manga Barcelona Award for the Shonen category in 2010. 146 In 2015, the manga was nominated for the 19th Tezuka Osamu Cultural Prize. 147 Masashi Kishimoto was the winner of Rookie of the Year for the series in the Japanese Government's Agency for Cultural Affairs 2014 Ministère of Education, Culture, Sport, Science and Technology Finar Recommendation Award. 148 On TV Asahi Manga SS Sankyo 2021 poll, in which 150,000 people voted for their top 100 manga series, Naruto ranked 7th. 149. Sims. Ami Plam argues that Kishimoto's use of references to Japanese mythology in Naruto is intended to add further layers to the story. Kishimoto expects Sashi's readers to decode the references, which allows him to avoid direct explanations. One example is Itachi, who has 3 ninja technique named after Shinto deity, Tsukiyomi, Amaterasu, and Susanoo. Plam also cites Sasuke's clan's heraldic symbol, a fan known as Anoshiwa. These fans are used in Japanese myths to exorcise evil, by blowing it away. Sasuke discovers late in the series that he has the ability to blow away the influence of the Nintalede Fox on Naruto. Foxes, Kitsune Tsuki, are tricksters in Japanese mythology, and in some stories, they take over human bodies. Plam comments on the obvious similarities to the Nintel sealed in Naruto, and the pranks Naruto plays. 150. Christopher Aborn note that the Naruto storyline contains traditional Confucian value, and suggests that students who analyze manga such as Naruto and Bleach will learn more about Confucianism than they would from studying its abstract ideas. 151 Norman Melkor Robles Jr. evaluated the portrayal of both positive and negative ideas in Naruto by counting words in the script which were associated with either violence or positive value, and found that a small majority of tagged words were viol. Buck commented that the portrayal of violence seemed organized to show how positive strategies on the part of the protagonists could overcome the violence. 152 Shō considers the series to have a set of traditional ethical value. She also compares the treatment of alienation in Naruto, which Naruto overcomes by joining Ashi's society, to the portrayal of alienation in Akira and Neon Genesis Evangelion, where the main characters remain alienated. 153. Naruto has been described by several critics as a coming-of-age story. 154 155 156 Psychologist Laurence C. Rubin suggests that the storylines would appeal to readers of any age who have lost loved ones, or are having difficulty finding friends, or who are in other situations shown in the series. 154 In Yukari Fujimoto view, as the characters mature, they show respect to the adults who have raised and taught them, making it a conservative storyline in comparison to other manga of the same time period such as One Piece and RGAR. 155 Explain sees the difference between Sasuke, a loner, and Naruto, an optimist, a tragic, arguing that the contrast between the two protagonists' approach to the world is fundamental to the plot. Naruto's strength grows as he gains more loved ones to protect, while Sasuke remains alone and is increasingly absorbed by Ashi's quest for revenge. 156 Omoto Tomoyuki point out that there are many comics moments in the story despite the difficulties Naruto finds himself in, but the comics elements diminish dramatically over time as Naruto grows into a teenager, particularly once Part 2 begins. Shonen Jump began to carry comedies such as Gintama and Reborn. From 2003 onwards, and in Tomoyuki's view this is part of the reason for the change in emphasis, Naruto was not supposed to provide laughter anymore. 157. Fujimoto argues that the story has overly traditional gender roles, noting, its representations suggest that men are men and women are women and that they differ naturally regarding aptitude and vocation. For example, the girls initially outperform the boys in the Ninja Academy, but once the boys get serious, the girls cannot keep pace. Fujimoto points out that this does not upset Sakura, who is now surpassed by Naruto. Character development based on female roles, when it does occur, against stereotypical roles. Tsunade, for example, a middle-aged woman with large breasts, is a clear mother figure, and when she teaches Sakura to be a medical ninja, which requires special skills possessed only by women, the story reinforces the idea that women only belong on the battlefield as healers. Tsunade herself, who is a figure of authority in Naruto, is portrayed as ridiculous in a way that men in the same position are not. Fujimoto suggests this presentation of women may explain why the female characters are often the most disliked characters among readers of the manga. 158. Naruto Run. The Naruto Run. The Naruto Run. The Naruto Run, or Ninja Run, is a running style based on the way the characters run leaning forward with their arms outstretched behind their backs. It became popular in 2017 when groups worldwide organized events to run like Naruto characters, especially on anniversaries of the series. 159 160 161 On June 27, 2019, Matty Roberts posted a satirical event called Storm Area 51. They can't stop all of us on Facebook where he wrote we will all meet up at the Area 51 Alien Center tourist attraction and coordinate our entry. If we Naruto run, we can move faster than their bullets. Let's see them aliens. 162. This quickly became an internet meme, resulting in nationwide alerts and warnings issued by Nevada law enforcement and the US Air Force to not go to Area 51. 163.